Join Stella Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparation. Best online learning experience only at Stella Online Courses. Call us now.
Very happy that finally the first 3 charter flights will be arriving from Europe directly to Dabolim Airport. And this 3 chartered flight on Boeing 737 has been arranged by Costa Cruises for its crew from Europe. And they got a clearance from the MHA, so they will be coming directly to Goa. And similarly, the other companies from 18th of May, there are a couple of other companies also trying to get permission, and I hope they will also get permission very fast from MHA, so that our Goan crew will come directly to Goa. And requesting our authorities in Goa to kindly be prepared with all the facilities, so that there is a small it is a 414 seafarers. So I think that things should have a better process, should be faster, and to be ready with all their quarantine, their medical facilities, their transportation, so that our Goan boys, seafarers who've been stranded for a very long time, they are tired, their families are waiting for them, and when they come to Goa, they will definitely feel home. So we are really happy for that, and I also wish that other seafarers would also come as soon as possible via charter flights or Air India flight, which are given by the government.